Running parallel to any software is the product and services database, the things you actually sell. Having a robust, consistent, and fully populated database can make the difference in your bottom line. Presenting your offerings using lifestyle images helps the client better understand and able to render a decision more quickly because they can see what they're buying. Smart Data does a lot of things that helps you to present the product in such a way that the customer goes, wow. And that's what you want. You want your customer to go, boy, I really like this. This is nice. Right here, we're showing off some Totem loudspeakers. And you can see we can change the different rooms, but the product database that you built for your particular company is always available right here. So maybe you're doing commercial fire. There's a nice control panel. Then over here, maybe we're gonna put in a pole station. So we have both commercial and residential products because a lot of our dealers go both ways. And over here, we're gonna show off some more. Here's the annunciator kits and the full panels. So you can see where we have a lot of products. It's not just about a few things here. We are certified partners with Control4 and Legrand. When we basically rely on our dealers to help us pull in all the data of things that maybe we've never heard of. Small, one-of-a-kind products that wouldn't have much of a foothold anywhere else. We're happy to enter them in. It's all part of the service. We also bring in your labor. There is design engineering. So if we start to show you different things in here, here's your travel. Things you might forget. So we're trying to give you a database that you might not build on your own, but you will absolutely use it every single day. So over here, maybe we're gonna do Ring doorbells. And you're able to import an entire system button. If you notice there on the right-hand side, it says video doorbell. I imported that with all Ring products. I brought in the entire line. Right here, I'm showing Crestron speakers. So you can see we have a very, very interesting database that really covers all your bases. Of course, all the major manufacturers, plus a lot of people that you may not have heard of or you wouldn't find anywhere else. Over here, we're taking locks. While these might be a third-party lock, they're being sold by Crestron. So they put their name on it, so it's within the Crestron brand. You know, a lot of people do that, Control4, but you want to show it under that manufacturer, so it's not just Schlage or Yale, it's the Crestron version of that or the Control4 version because you're trying to drive your numbers. So we understand how that plays out. So we're going to show the same products multiple times based on who's selling it. So depending how you're buying it, we've set that up. We also set our vendors. So for those locks, that vendor will be Crestron. It could just as easily be URC or Control4. So we try and make this easy so you guys know where this stuff is coming from based on its model number, product, manufacturer. Now right here, we're showing some of our smart shapes. So what we're gonna do here is walk you through and show you what it would be like to help a customer understand what an in-ceiling speaker looks like. You know, and nowadays that's not as common as it used to be. Most people have seen them, but that's not always true. They always think they're gonna be something big and ugly until you show them this little icon. It has no value. I'm just trying to show them what it would look like in their ceiling. It's just a great way for a customer to buy in. We have our icons, but the icons don't represent the actual product. And now right here, I wanna go ahead and take my smart shape, which is a triangle, attach it to a camera, and show my field of view for that camera. So all of these smart shapes are simple PNG images, so you can import them yourself. We do have limits on size. So we build a lot of custom images, but you guys are free to do your own. People always ask, can I do my own icons? Can I do my this? Of course you can. You can do your own images. We just do a better job than most. So that's one of the things I like to do is keep things consistent. Now here is our smart shapes with a picture. Walk into a customer's house, the room is blank, and I was able to design this system right in front of my client. I grab a TV shape, I size it down to an approximate size. I'm not trying to go to scale, I'm just trying to give them concept. Below that's the sound bar I dropped in. That cabinet you see I drew in using our drawing function. I'm showing the rack in that cabinet. Over on the sides I have my control panel. There's a keypad, speakers in the ceiling. So the customer understands what they're buying. I dropped a remote in, but you know what? I don't need a remote in here. It doesn't add to it, so I'll just take it out. So again, everything is simple and easy to use. We try and build the database so you don't have to. So all you have to do is sell those products. I mean, of course, you're probably still going to go in and change things like labor hours and price. But if all the rest of the work is done, that part is quite a bit easier. Thank you for your time today.